In this video, you are going to see how to align two tables vertically in Microsoft Word document. Even you can move it freely. So let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this. Now click on this text box, go to Insert, go to Table and choose a 1/3 table. Now click on the first box, go to Insert, go to Table and choose your desired table. Let us choose a 3/3 table. Now click on this third cell, go to Insert, go to Table and choose a 3/3 table. Now this is not looking good actually. I have to remove the text box border first. Click on the border, go to Shape Format, Shape Outline, make it no outline. Now if you want to adjust this table, select it, go to Table Layout. You can decrease the width from here. Let us choose this one, decrease the width. If you want to increase the height, you can increase it from here. And I want to remove the border of this table. Click on over here, go to Table Design, go to Border, click on No Border. Now adjust it and I can move it freely. And this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.